Pretty in pink and delicious too. This week, it's all about indulging in the sweetness, subtlety, and charm of pink foods. From vibrant dragon fruit to delicate salmon, pink represents love, compassion, and emotional healing. It also connects to your heart chakra, Anahata, the center of unconditional love and empathy. Why pink? Pink is the color of warmth, tenderness, and care. It's associated with the heart chakra, located at the center of your chest. This chakra is the seat of love, forgiveness, and emotional harmony. By eating pink foods, you're embracing your softer side and inviting love and compassion into your life. Pink food are usually emphasized during the National Day of Love, Valentine's Day, so why not make it Valentine's Day every day, but sharing the foods you love in the color pink? Remember to subscribe and see if this challenge can add more flavors to your taste buds and watch your palate bud grow white anticipation. Rules of the game. 1. Go pink or go home. Stick to naturally pink foods. 2. Keep it light and lovely. Aim for balance and harmony on your plate. 3. Let love guide your creativity. Think sweet, savory, or somewhere in between. 4. Feel the love. Reflect on how pink foods nurture your emotional well-being. What can you eat? Pink foods are fun, fabulous, and surprisingly versatile. Here's how to think pink all week. Breakfast. Pink dragon fruit, smoothie bowl topped with shredded coconut. A strawberry yogurt with a drizzle of honey. Pink grapefruit slices with a sprinkle of sugar or mint. Lunch. A beaten feta salad with a raspberry vinaigrette. And roasted salmon with a side of pink radish slaw. It's watermelon gazpacho with a touch of basil. Dinner. Shrimp pasta with a creamy pink sauce. Tomatoes and cream make the perfect combo. As pickled pink cabbage with grilled chicken or tofu. A pink risotto made with beets and topped with goat cheese. Snacks and drinks. A glass of chilled rosé or pink lemonade. And a handful of raspberries or dried rose petals for tea. And strawberry and cream popsicles. Challenges to watch for pink foods tend to be light and refreshing, but finding variety might be tricky. You'll need to embrace your creative side to keep things interesting. The chakra connection, pink foods resonate with the heart chakra, helping you cultivate feelings of love and compassion, and heal emotional wounds and open yourself to forgiveness. Experience greater harmony and balance in your relationships. When your heart chakra is balanced, you feel connected to others, emotionally open, and filled with gratitude. Pink foods can be your emotional balm this week. What's your pink perfection? What's the most delightful pink dish you can imagine? Can you manage a week of love-infused heart chakra healing meals? Share your ideas and inspire others to take on the challenge. Next up, purple, the color of intuition, wisdom, and crown chakra power. Let's embrace the mystical.